Welcome. If you want to set your online game as a private in Among Us, at the first you have to create a game. Right here, let's click. And as you can see, here we got this private feature. So currently this game is set as a private, and to enter this game we have to input this code on the other devices. But if you want to make it public, you just have to change it, and the same if you want to change for the private. So as you can see, as a default is set it up as a private, but if in your case when you are entering the online game and here we got the public button, you have to tap and then it will be changed to the private. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!